and dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I, D, D, and we are with
Kim.
We are with Kim, and you are from
South Africa.
South Africa. Johannesburg, and we are in NYC right now. All right, we're taking advantage of this rooftop photo shoot, something I've been wanting to do for a while, and ironically it was on her mood board, right?
Yep.
Okay.
That's right.
So we are losing light, but we're going to hurry up and get these shots. A one light setup, you see the vibe. And we have the multi-faceted, multi-talented Selena Chitan on the makeup. Okay? So, let's get into the shoot. Are you ready?
I am so ready. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm going to be getting a lot of sun flare. So since I'm going to get a lot of sun flare, I'm going to be using my hand as kind of like a lens hood. All right. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right. 1, 2. All right. All right, boom. Let me get both of your hands kind of to your side. Yeah, that works right there. I'm gonna show you what it looks like though. Boom. I'm trying to get these sun flares out.
Okay.
Yeah. That's the vibe. That's the vibe right there. All right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Hold that. Perfect. Let me get 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. So you see, like when I don't block the sun, you see, it's more hazy. Yeah, so it's coming in the lens. So I'm trying to block it out. So. You can just sit right there, and then I want to keep your face in the sun. Yeah. And open your stance up. Actually, stay right there. Stay right there for it. And 1. Let me see. Come on the edge right here. Yeah. And I'm gonna come from this side. One, 2. Perfect. Let's come on to this one. Yeah. So we got oh man. Yeah. Now you can do that same thing. Perfect. Hold that right there. There we go. Yeah, this light is magnificent right here. And I switched to the 70 to 200. Oh, Essa. There we go. Boom. Yeah. Oh. Hold that right there. I'm gonna get a different angle. Yeah. 1, 2. Boom. Let me get a full body. Perfect. All right, 1, 2, 3. What I want you to do is turn your head more so that way. Yeah, can you stretch your arms out, Andy? Yeah, like that, yeah. Yeah, that's it, that's it, that's it. That's it. Boom. You see where you want your shots at? You see where you want your shots at? Oh, that's fire. ¿Dónde tú quieres tus fotos?
Me gusta más este spot.
Ajá. Boom. Fire. Hold that right there. Fire. Boom. All right. I think we're gonna come down. You wanna Alright. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's it right there. 1, 2. That's it right there. 1, 2. There we go. Let me see.